My name is Janara Spence. I am the High Graphics Packaging Production Lead, and I work at the BoxMaker. When I first got hired, I was CAD Table Operator, Printer Operator, Swing Shift Lead, and now Department Lead. My job helps our clients by ensuring that their order is accurate, complete, and shipped on time. I would describe the BoxMaker as fun, energetic, motivating, and innovative. There's always a new process, always new ideas. Sometimes there's pressure and we got to get this order out, but we also know that you have a team. So it's not on one individual. You'll have the necessary training to complete your job, to grow within the company. It makes it a fun place to work. I see myself growing my career at the BoxMaker by just following my manager's lead, soaking in everything that they're telling me, giving me. I never thought that I would be where I am now, this fast. I've heard stories where people have started and see where they are now. So for me, it's very inspiring. That opportunity will one day present itself. And when it does, I'll be ready.